Today we are printing off a print-in-place whale shark, and this one is especially cool. I think it also looks cute as hell. We're going to do a little bit of painting at the end of this one too, and yeah, I think this is a gorgeous 3D model. Link in the description below if you want to give this a go yourself. Very easy, very quick print. No internal structure or support is needed, and if you get good adhesion here, you can get this printed off without much cleanup too. And yeah, looks good. This is what we're going to be printing, and we'll send that off to the 3D printer, and it's going to start and be very simple. You can see the framing of it there at the bottom. So yeah, let's get this done. Now the adhesion here was real good, especially on those fins at the front. Took quite a bit of struggling to get this to come off. And this one I actually had to get out the scraper to whack it a bunch to get it to fully dislodge. But you can see I was having some major difficulties here. So basically I had to use full on force. So finally got it out. But here is our printed off whale shark. She is gorgeous, real nice design, lovely, and got that cuteness to her as well. And overall, I think we could do an amazing paint job with this, but we're just going to go for a simple paint job, which will be the eyes on the front, which should add a nice bit of personality to this thing. I do think these white ones always end up looking a little bit too much like bones. It's a bit morbid, but if you don't think like that and you think of this as being an actual alive thing, then when you add the eyes on, it looks way cuter. And then we have a beautiful 3D model here that we've been able to print out, and it looks great. And these articulated print in place models are lovely, really freaking cool. And the great thing about this is you can use it as a fidget tool, or you can just have it sitting somewhere, or potentially a kid can enjoy playing with it as well. But this is also a simple kind of show of what 3D printing can do, and it is incredible. So yeah, if you're enjoying videos like this and you want to see more print in place models, subscribe and I'll catch you guys next time. But this has been a beautiful whale shark. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. And again, if you want to download this and give it a go yourself, you can find a link in the description below.